Hi, this is Rose, and today we're making some Spanish rice. For your ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of long grain rice, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion, tomatoes, and if you'd like, you can add 2 to 3 slices of serrano peppers. A couple of other optional items you can also add if you have are the chicken bouillon, powder packet or cubes, and the Spanish rice seasoning. In a hot pan, you want to sprinkle some olive oil. We're going to add our 1 cup of long grain rice. Once your rice becomes nicely browned without burning, you want to go ahead and add your veggies. This is the quick mix. Now we want to salt it to taste. Add some pepper to taste, and if you have serrano peppers, you probably don't want to add too much pepper. We're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. If you have any of the Spanish rice seasoning in the chicken bouillon, you want to go ahead and add it right now and just give it a quick mix. Now you're going to add the whole can or most of the can of the tomato sauce. Pour 2 cups of hot water.
Yes, hot like you, baby.
Your water must be hot, so if you can't get it hot from your faucet, just put some water in the microwave and heat it up for about 2 minutes until it's hot. Once it starts boiling, you want to reduce your heat to low heat, and you want to cover it with a good lid. Make sure your lid is not too big or too small, and that it's the perfect fit so that the steam doesn't escape. And we want to cook for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's check on our rice, and woo, look at that steam.
Mr. McSteamy must be near.
It is looking very good. You want to give this a quick light mix and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and it will be ready to serve. I hope you enjoy.